Your boy Breaking Bad from having another video, and we have the K-Swiss Breaking Bad collab. Shout out to my guy Walter White, R.I.P. my guy Mike. What's Mike's middle last name? I forgot. Shout out to my guy Mike, man. He's really out here. R, yo, fuck Todd. Yeah, I just gotta say that. Fuck Todd. I hate Todd. I hate Lydia. I hate Skyler. I hate Walt Jr. I hate most of that cast, but shout out to my guy Mike. So anyway, it's kind of the foil. It's the periodic table. If you failed ninth grade chemistry, you probably know what this is, but it's the old periodic table. D block in general. Try to K-Swiss. A little bit of insignias on the bottom there, of course. Continuation. Got to make sure I keep this fresh. And then we get some official foil, and we have one shoe because I already took the other shoe out because I was amazed and wanted to see it. So we got this little doohickey, which I'm not sure what this does, but it's a heel. Got the little Breaking Bad right there. The fresh K-Swiss little moniker there. Insignia. Oh, Heisenberg. I didn't even get that on there. Okay, that's cool. That's pretty fresh. So we got my boy Heisenberg here. Here's the sole. If I can get that zoomed in there. I'm probably going to take it out anyway. Sony Pictures 2020. Shout out El Camino. K-Swiss tag there. Little zip up hazmat suit. It's very difficult to get off, by the way. Like, this is not easy to zip and unzip. Inside, kind of like your basic white K-Swiss. You actually cannot remove this easily. Take the shoe out of the suit, which I don't know why you possibly would. In fact, it's very difficult to do so, but there is space between suit and shoe. So you can take it out if you wanted to. You would just be an idiot to do so. So yeah, Breaking Bad. So these are cold. Like, these are legit cold. Like, $106 for these is not bad whatsoever. To take it back over here, take it uptown, shout out to ASAP Rocky. Other one also says Heisenberg. And yeah, I mean, I like this shoe. Like, I love it. Like, this is one of my favorite cops in the recent. I haven't been copping like that, but it's one of my favorite cops out here. Oh yeah, the sole. Let's take the sole out. So yo, this isn't very easy. I'm not editing this video. I promise you that. I'll probably get someone like Parkinson's out here. So here's your bottom of the sole. It's got like a little sleeve on it, which is kind of cool. And this is kind of like the fumes that you'd see. I think this is at the very closing of the Breaking Bad intro. When the fumes come up towards the end, it just flashes this at the bottom or the end of it. So I believe that's directly from the intro to Breaking Bad, which I haven't watched in quite a while, but Breaking Bad is something you easily forget. You may forget some of the minutia, but damn, that is hard as hell. yeah, I wear some of these shoes with boots that I forget how it is to wear normal shoes. But anyway, that's it. Your boy Heisenberg from here with another video, and peace.